Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time clicking onto my video, welcome. So in today's video we're going to make some seeded bread. So in a bowl you're going to add 3 cups of plain flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and you're just going to mix everything together. And then after that you're going to add about 1 cup of milk, and you're also going to add about 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and you're just going to add everything together and you're just going to mix. You're going to see how I'm going to do it. If the milk is not enough, just add a little bit more, depending also on how you want the consistency of your bread to look like. But then you're going to see how mine looks like just now. So I realized that if I kept on using my wooden spoon, it was going to break. So I then started kneading the dough, so the bread dough. So I kneaded it for about 3 minutes and it looks something like that. Then after you're done kneading, you add your seeds. So I just used a variety seed mix pack that I got from the grocery store, and then I just did that. I don't know guys, maybe you can add the seeds before you add the milk and everything. You can also do that, it can also work. Then after that I'm just gonna transfer my bread dough to a lined loaf tin, just like that, and I just slightly pressed it in, just so that like it could fill up the tin. You do that. And then after that I'm gonna brush the top of the bread with some melted butter. I had some leftover melted butter in the ramekin, so that's what I used right there. And then you can add more seeds on top if you think the seeds, if you want more seeds basically. So I just sprinkled more seeds on top, and then I baked it in the oven for 25 minutes and 160 degrees. After 25 minutes your bread should look something like this. So guys, that's it for today's recipe. I enjoyed mine with some jam and with a cup of tea. I hope you try it out and you let me know what you think. See you in the next video. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe.